Hello everyone! Today I will be making tiramisu, which is very famous Italian dessert. This amazing coffee-infused dessert doesn't require baking and takes literally 10 minutes to make. I will show you how to make tiramisu cake in casserole dish, which you can serve at the party. I will also show you how to make individual tiramisu dessert portions you can serve at more intimate event, like romantic dinner for example. As always, I will show you how to make more simplified version of this dessert without sacrificing a flavor. This recipe doesn't require eggs, and I will be using store-bought ladyfingers. Okay, let's make this amazing dessert. Beat 1 cup of heavy whipping cream until stiff peaks in the medium-sized bowl. I'm using a handheld mixer here. Add mascarpone cheese, condensed milk, and vanilla extract. Combine with a mixture until smooth. In a separate bowl, pour strong coffee. Make sure coffee is room temperature. Optionally, you can add cognac or rum. Now you can start soaking ladyfinger biscuits in the coffee one by one. It should be very quick dip, of about 1 second. If you soak too much, your dessert will be very mushy, which did happen with me once. Start layering ladyfingers in the casserole dish one by one. Cover the first layer of ladyfingers with mascarpone mixture and sprinkle some cacao powder on top. Repeat the process of building another layer of ladyfingers and mascarpone mixture. You can also use piping bag to spread mascarpone mixture to make a fun design on top of the cake. Refrigerate cake for at least 4 hours before serving. Ideally, you make this dessert a day before. It tastes even better on the second day. Right before serving, sprinkle it with cacao powder and top it off with dark chocolate. Looks like I have 4 ladyfingers and some mixture left to make an individual dessert. Pretty much follow the same process of layering everything in the glass with layers. It looks and tastes amazing. Very quick dessert you can make in 10 minutes with no need to bake. If you like this recipe, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my future cooking inspirations. Thank you for watching, and I will see you very soon.